Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are on the second video review, unboxing video review of the iTel Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch. And on this video, we will focus on the offered menus and features of this wearable. On our first video, we do have the design, the specs, and the UI. This time we will focus on the features offered on the Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch. So if you are interested to know more about the loaded features about this wearable, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered features on our Fit O20 Ultra. Okay, so here is the smartwatch. Check out the design. It has a curved screen, zinc alloy body frame, as you can see here, ergonomic design, flexible silicone strap with a wide 2.01 screen display. So for the features, we do have some details here. Quick access on the home screen, AI powered watch faces, we have a Bluetooth calling and message notifications, and a 24-hour health monitoring. Okay, alright, so we do have the specifications here. Let's have the preview. It is using the iPulse application, available on Android and iOS, and we have here the titanium gold color. Okay, let's check first the UI of the smartwatch. The bottom part. Okay, we have the menus and features, and we have here the widgets. Okay, to access the main menu, just swipe, or you can press the crown button. For the crown button here, you cannot use this to change the watch face. Instead, you have to press the power button, and you can navigate or scroll using the rotary button here. And talking about the features, you have here the multiple sports mode. Right, let's see. Do we have some categories? Yes, we have different categories here for the sports. We have the workout records. Yeah, we have daily activity tracking. We have a Bluetooth call support, AI voice, of course. We have the Bluetooth music control function. We also have here heart rate, the sleep monitoring, the blood oxygen monitoring. We have pressure. I think this one is for the mood. Okay. Motion. We have here the breathing guide. We have the Bluetooth camera control, message notification. We have an alarm clock, a stopwatch, the timer. We also have it here. We also have here the calculator, find phone. We have a game. Okay, only one game, Flying Bird, inspired by the Flappy Bird game. We have the flashlight, and of course the settings. For the settings, we have options here. The watch face, of course. Going back again, we have the brightness adjustment, screen off time, let's make it 20 seconds. Race to wake feature, we have it here. For the layout, we have at least 3 options here. We have the arc, the matrix, and the grid. We have sound and vibration, ringtone, adjustment, vibration option. We also have here the Bluetooth call support, do not disturb mode, shortcut cards. Okay, you can add pressure, you can remove and add. That is for the widgets. We have a power saving mode, the password, drain. This is for the water here to remove excess water on the speaker or inside the smartwatch. We have the system here. It includes the restart, power off and reset, and of course our about section. Okay, the device name is ISW O20 Ultra. We have the QR code for the app. Okay, here are the details again for the main menu. So what do you think of the features here? Okay, it has all the necessary features for a smartwatch or on a smartwatch. Okay, is it missing something? We don't have here. Do we have a weather report? Yes, we have a weather here. We don't have a calendar. I think we don't have a calendar here. Let's see. Okay, yes, it is missing a calendar. Okay, there's no calendar options. But we do have a good list of sports functions here. We do have a different categories. Let's check. We have a common workouts, indoor fitness, ball sports, outdoor sports, dances, combat sports, recreational sports, aquatic and ice sports. Okay, I think it is okay for the number of sports functions. Alright, so that's it for our unboxing review of its menus and features. The iTel Fit O20 Ultra. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!